What's the meaning of biographer? Biographer. Biographer.
Biographer. Biographer. A biographer is a writer who specializes in writing about the lives and achievements of individuals, usually well-known or historically significant figures. The purpose of biography is to provide a comprehensive account of the person's life, including important events, milestones, and accomplishments. Biographers may also delve into the person's personal life, relationships, and personality traits to give readers a more nuanced understanding of the subject. Biographies can be written in a variety of formats, including books, articles, and essays. In addition to providing historical context, biographies often serve as sources of inspiration and motivation for readers, particularly those interested in the arts, sciences, politics, or history.